Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by logging into Roblox on a modern browser, Chrome or Edge, because passkeys rely on web authn support. Once logged in, go straight to security. Make sure two-step verification is active, because Roblox may require extra verification before allowing new login methods. Meanwhile, set up Windows Hello or another platform authenticator on your PC. This is the passkey backend. You do this now so the site can register a passkey tied to your device, not just a password. Next, register the passkey inside your Roblox account. Navigate to Account Settings, then Security, and select the Passkeys or Login Methods area. Click Add Passkey. The browser will show a web authn prompt. Choose Use Windows Hello or your platform authenticator. When prompted, complete the biometric scan or enter your PIN. This pairwise creates a cryptographic key that Roblox stores as a public credential. Once confirmed, you'll see the passkey listed. This is why you must use the same. To sign in, choose the passkey option on Roblox's login screen. The browser will invoke Windows Hello, and you approve with fingerprint or PIN, fast and passwordless. If the passkey prompt doesn't appear or fails, make sure the browser has site credentials enabled, clear site data, and re-register the passkey on the same device. You must re-enroll if keys were removed. Finally, maintain a backup sign-in method, recovery codes, or an authenticator app so you can access the account if the device is lost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.